This video explores the world of hybrid super auto, combining electric efficiency and high-octane power in innovative vehicles. It's an electrifying journey for enthusiasts and supercar enthusiasts, offering an exciting exploration of the future of automotive excellence. Welcome to an opulent and refined journey where automotive artistry meets pure extravagance. In today's video, we take a close look at the 2020 Rolls Royce Cullinan, which has been converted into a work of art by the renowned German tuning company MANSORY. Prepare to be enthralled as we reveal the inner and exterior elements of this remarkable combination. This is the MANSORY Rolls Royce Cullinan. Details on the exterior. Let's begin with the exterior, where the Cullinan's already iconic design is elevated to new heights. Transformation of the entire body. MANSORY's artisans gave the Cullinan a wide-body makeover, extending its elegant silhouette for a more commanding presence on the road. The enlarged wheel arches and wider wheel wells complement the car's form superbly, allowing for larger, more imposing wheels. Custom-forged aluminum wheels. And speaking of wheels, they aren't your average wheels. The Cullinan is outfitted with MANSORY's custom-designed, lightweight forged alloy wheels. These wheels not only offer a touch of class, but they significantly improve the vehicle's handling characteristics. Elements of carbon fiber. The carbon fiber elements that adorn the exterior demonstrate MANSORY's meticulous attention to detail. The front bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser are all made of this lightweight and durable material, which not only improves the car's looks, but also improves its aerodynamics. Distinctive paint finishes. To top it all off, MANSORY offers a wide variety of unique paint finishes, allowing owners to completely customize their Cullinan. Color selections range from eye-catching glittering hues to subtle matte tones. Details of the interior. As we move inside the Cullinan, the lap of luxury takes on an entirely new meaning: interior personalization. MANSORY provides an unrivaled level of interior customization. Every component of the cabin, from quality leather to Alcantara and carbon fiber, may be customized to the owner's preferences. This is the point at which automotive craftsmanship becomes art. Perfection in hand-stitched work. Look at those hand-stitched leather seats. Each stitch demonstrates the artisan's talent, assuring not only visual beauty but also long-lasting comfort. The attention to detail is unparalleled. Accents in carbon fiber. Carbon fiber accents are elegantly integrated into the interior, providing a refined contrast to the luxurious materials. As a result, the setting combines sporting dynamism with a sumptuous feel. High-tech information display. The MANSORY 2020 Rolls Royce Cullinan seamlessly blends traditional luxury with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system, with its simple interface, keeps you connected and delighted. Exclusive audio system. And don't forget about the sound system. The Cullinan is outfitted with a cutting-edge audio system that immerses you in an auditory experience unlike any other, transforming every drive into a symphony of music. Performance enhancements. Now, under the hood, MANSORY doesn't just focus on aesthetics. They also take the Cullinan's performance to a whole new level. Power boost. MANSORY improves the 4.0-liter V8 engine with high-performance components and a custom exhaust system. The end result is an astounding 838 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque. This incredible power boost catapults the Cullinan into an exciting realm of performance. Enhanced maneuverability. In addition to increased power, MANSORY improves the Cullinan's handling with a custom suspension setup. The ride height has been reduced to increase aerodynamics and stability, guaranteeing that every curve in the road is a delight. The 2020 Rolls Royce Cullinan by MANSORY is more than just a car. It's an extraordinary work of art, performance, and luxury. This collaboration masterpiece combines MANSORY's careful craftsmanship with Rolls-Royce's legendary grace. The Cullinan by MANSORY is a remarkable creation that pushes the frontiers of automotive greatness. Whether you're drawn to the exterior's striking wide-body design, the interior's handcrafted perfection, or the thrilling performance improvements, thank you for joining us on this journey to learn more about this incredible car. Stay tuned for more automotive insights and exclusives, and don't forget to like and subscribe.